Whoa.
Help it.
Alright, let's try again.
Well, you gotta kind of move a little bit.
Just trying to get a good shot.
Well, you don't get...
For the viewers. But crap. Okay, let's try to make this not want to hit me this time. I'm gonna stand back a lot more so I don't get hit in the face. Oh, Jesus. Oh, Jesus. Okay.
Sorry.
Take what? 5?
4.
4?
3, 2,
1.
Blast off!
Crap.
Whee!
Oh! Hit the wall. Hit the pillar.
Kill this thing.
Yeah.
I'm coming for you!
Oh, crap. Oh! Different angle. Oh, crap. Sorry. I'll spin it right there because of the flash. I'm going to turn that off. Oh! That was a stupid idea of me. Crap. Perfect!
No, not perfect. No.
Alright, last try.
Okay, I am not doing that this time. This thing... Get back here. Next is go up by its own. Mayday!
Amazingness! I'm gonna get it in the face. I know there's no.
Mayday!
Oh, that was awesome. That was pretty cool. But, yeah. Okay, Annabelle, we failed to do a cool enough trick, but they were all pretty cool. But just not good enough. So, on 3, we failed. Okay, 1, 2, 3. We failed!